We are Snowdonia Windows, a name synonymous with high-quality conservatories, garden rooms, orangeries, windows and doors since 1976. At Snowdonia Windows, we understand that we could all use a little more living space, and we're proud to offer the perfect, cost-effective solution that will not only add value to your quality of life, but to your home as well. From concept to completion, initial design to installation, we're proud to offer our clients the materials, the technology, and all the finishing touches that will bring their dream of a bigger home to life. Our showroom in mould showcases our attention to detail and provides plenty of inspiration. Not forgetting our stylish and practical range of doors and windows. At Snowdonia Windows, we'll work with you to find the perfect match for your home, complementing your property with the perfect UPVC windows and doors and installation service that promises minimum disruption to you and your property. Whether you're looking for tilt and turn, sash, casement windows, or something completely different, you can expect a vast range of styles and finishes, with every choice manufactured to the highest of standards. Everyone has their dream orangery or conservatory, and our family-run business is excited to bring yours to life. Why not visit our showroom in mould or call us now to arrange a free, no obligation quote.